Most Shapespark scenes load quickly and run smoothly, but sometimes, if the geometry is very detailed, a scene can become large and harder to load. The Mesh Simplification tool reduces the number of triangles in your scene while keeping the visual quality, which helps improve performance and loading time, especially on mobile devices. You can check your triangle count in the Objects tab under Scene Statistics. To simplify your scene, open the Objects tab. Go to the Mesh's Auto Simplification panel, choose a simplification level, and click Simplify. All new scenes in Shapespark already have Mesh Simplification enabled at a reasonable level by default, so in many cases you do not need to change anything. But for larger or more complex scenes, you can adjust the settings to further optimize performance. The process is quick, usually just a few seconds, and you do not need to rebake the scene to see the results. You can also adjust the simplification level for individual objects. If some objects are heavier than others, you can increase their simplification level. Also, if you notice artifacts on a specific object, you can turn off simplification for that object, then run the simplification again to see the updated results. And that is it. Mesh Simplification is a simple way to optimize larger scenes, making them lighter, faster, and easier to share.